What this proclamation will do is raise the fee that companies pay to sponsor H-1B applicants to $100,000.
An economic tremor from the White House shook Dalal Street on Monday morning. US President Donald Trump's order slapping a $100,000 fee on new H-1B visa petitions sent the NSE IT index crashing nearly 4% at open. Infosys, TCS, Wipro all saw heavy selling on fears of lost contracts and shrinking margins. Tech counters stayed under pressure all day, even as investors turned to auto, FMCG, consumer durables and construction stocks cheered by GST rate cuts. The sell-off might have been steeper, but for a White House U-turn. Hours after Trump and his Commerce Secretary unveiled the visa bombshell, a clarification diluted the shock. The new fee applies only to fresh applicants, is one-time, applies prospectively, and leaves existing holders and renewals untouched. Even so, the headline risk wiped out thousands of crores in IT market cap within minutes. Analysts warn, while giants like Infosys and TCS can absorb the blow, mid-tier exporters will find it tougher to sustain US margins and market share. For Indian IT, the short-term picture is turbulent. Higher cost per US hire, margin squeeze of up to 400 basis points, hundreds of crores in extra expenses, hiring freezes and delays in US placements, and a greater push for remote delivery and higher client billing all drags for the IT outlook. In the long run, India's IT model may pivot. Offshoring and automation will accelerate. Already, only 1 in 5 staff of top IT firms work on-site in the US. That number could fall further. Companies may tap the cheaper L1 and O1 visas for niche talent. US wages could rise, eroding competitiveness. And global capability centers in India could see bigger investments. But regional economies built on IT exports, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, face new headwinds. Startups, mid-sized firms, and young graduates banking on US roles may find opportunities drying up. Some estimates peg the visa bill at up to $550 million per tech major. With America making up 85% of revenues and 3 to 5% of active workforce, the real crunch will come with the next H-1B lottery in March 2026. For now, the impact is minimal. For investors, dramatic swings mirror uncertainty. For Indian IT, survival will rest on smarter hiring, bolder automation, and sharper global strategies, not old migration models. Bureau Report, Business Today TV.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.